Today we're reading Zin Zin Zin, a Violin by Lloyd and illustrated by Marjorie Priceman. This story is about instruments. You'll notice as I read the words, some of the words on the page even sound like those instruments. With mournful moan and silken tone, itself alone comes one trombone, gliding, sliding, high notes go low. One trombone is playing solo. Next a trumpet comes along and sings and stings its swinging song. It joins trombone, no more alone, and one and two-o, they're a duo. Fine French horn, its valves all oiled, bright and brassy, loops all coiled, golden yellow joins its fellows. Two, now three-o, what a trio! Now a mellow friend, the cello, neck extended, bows a hullo, end pin set upon the floor. It makes up a quartet, that's four. And soaring high and moving in, with zin, 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 a violin, stroking strings that come alive. Now quintet, let's count them, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flute that sends our soul a shiver, flute that slender silver, a place among that set it picks, to make a young sextet, that's 6. With steely keys that softly click, its breezy notes so darkly slick, a sleek black woody clarinet, is number 7, now septet. Gleeful, bleeding, sobbing, pleading, through its throbbing, double reading, oboe, please don't hesitate, come make it an octet, that's 8. That lazy clown, the big bassoon, he plays low down, we're laughing soon. Here, Grumpy, get your place in line, and give us a non-tet, that's 9. The harp descends with angels' wings, a heaven's blend through magic strings, and when it joins the others then, behold, a chamber group of 10. The orchestra comes in the hall. There on the stage we see them all, the cello, harp, and clarinet, the trumpet whom we've also met, the oboe, flute, and big bassoon, all eager to get started soon. Trombone, French horn, and violin, all poised and ready. Now, begin! The strings all soar, the reeds implore, the brasses roar with notes galore. It's music that we all adore, it's what we go to concerts for. The minutes fly, the music ends, and so goodbye to our new friends. But when they've bowed and left the floor, if we clap loud and shout "Encore!" they may come back and play once more. And that would give us great delight, before we say a late good night. Wow, that was a really nice story. We learned about all sorts of instruments and the number they make when they join the group.